Alright, turns out you can swap these fast without removing the entire mirror setup. So this, as long as you don't mind throwing away the OEM ones. So I don't want the chrome ones. I'm not going to sell them, not going to keep them, because you'll break this tab right here. So the way you do this, you move your mirrors so that you can see the clips. So then you go in, I'm going to hold down the release, push one of the clips forward, and try to get a release here. Gosh, let's see if we can do it. Kind of hard to do, but once you pop one, the other ones come out a lot easier. And then you gotta make sure we gotta get this side, so I gotta move the mirror over. So move the mirror so you can reach each of these clips. There's 4 of them. I guess we got those 2. So they're only on this side. Alright, so there's the other one right there. Basically, I just want to make sure we have the tab released, and then we can pull that off. And then from there, you just gotta know that it's probably gonna snap that base tab. And as long as you're okay doing that, we're okay. Which, I'm okay doing that. So, you guys may not be as sketchy. Alright, everything's exposed. Take our black cap. And you definitely want to make sure everything's lined up. Point of no return. Yeah. Make sure you're all set. And that should be it. Pretty straightforward. Way better than removing the whole light setup. So there you are.